My friend from junior high contacted me one night, asking me about a nootropic. He was greatly stressed out and wanted to improve his concentration by taking some supplements. Does that really help? But before we get to this point, we need to understand what is a nootropic first. You've probably heard of smart drugs or like cognitive enhancers. Yes, nootropics are a wide range of natural or synthetic supplements or drugs that are claimed to improve cognitive function or to promote relaxation, particularly boosting mood, executive functions, attention, memory, creativity, or motivation in healthy individuals. Its popularity grows significantly in recent years, reaching a sales of $10.69 billion in 2021. In order for a product to qualify as a true nootropic, it must fulfill 5 criteria from the category. You could pause the video and take a look at it. Now, let me introduce some typical ingredients in nootropics. First one is theanine. It is an amino acid analog of the proteinogenic amino acid L-glutamate and L-glutamine, and is found primarily in particular plant and fungal species. It acts as an antagonist of NMPA and K-nite receptors and a partial co-agonist of the NMDA receptors. So basically, it blocks the binding site of glutamate and stops its excitatory function. It could reduce stress, anxiety, and insomnia. A study found that in healthy human subjects, alpha waves were generated on the occipital and parietal region of the brain surface within 40 minutes after the oral administration of theanine. Alpha wave could be recorded from the brain during wakeful relaxation with closed eyes, signifying relaxation without causing drowsiness. Next is guarana seed. It contains caffeine, the same chemical as in coffee. Caffeine works as an antagonist for A1 adenosine receptor. By binding to it, it stops adenosine from slowing down our nervous system. Moreover, it also stimulates the release of excitatory neurotransmitters like dopamine and glutamate to keep our mind sharp. Frequent coffee drinkers must have noticed that they are drinking more coffee to keep them alert over time. This is the result of tolerance. Caffeine leads to production of more adenosine receptor as it fools the brain to believe current number of receptor is not enough to cause sleepiness. This increases the likelihood of adenosine actually binding to its receptor, and then we need to drink more coffee to make up for it. Last but not least, here comes L-tyrosine. It is a powerful precursor which could lead to production of epinephrine, norepinephrine, and dopamine. Epinephrine and norepinephrine are hormones responsible for a fight or flight response to stressful situations, and dopamine regulates your reward and pleasure centers, and it is important for memory and motor skills. The L-tyrosine helps you to improve your efficiency under stressful conditions because stress would usually lead to attenuated release of specific neurotransmitters as mentioned above. But with this special precursor, your body could make up for the shrinking production of neurotransmitters. So, tyrosine does not turn your brain into superbrain, but it makes sure it works at its highest capacity even if you are nervous. However, these benefits do not mean nootropics are beneficial to people. Most of the benefits remain on theoretical level only. There haven't been enough research to draw the whole picture. In fact, some users reflect insomnia, blurry vision, high blood pressure, a fast heart rate, circulation problems, and addiction after using some products. If you really want to get one of these, you'd better consider it carefully and consult a doctor to choose one based on your own situation. If you like my video, please click a like or subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your support. Bye!